If you're diving into ClickFunnels and want to shortcut the learning curve, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 ClickFunnels courses that will help you learn faster, launch sooner, and start making money quicker, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's jump right in. 1. One Funnel Away Challenge, OFAC. This is hands down the most popular ClickFunnels course for beginners and intermediates. Taught by Russell Brunson himself along with other top marketers, the One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day step-by-step program that walks you through building your very first funnel from scratch. You get daily video lessons, assignments, funnel strategies that actually work, a complete action plan to launch your offer. If you're overwhelmed or don't know where to start, this is the best place to begin. 2. Funnel Hacking Secrets. This is more than just a course. It's a full masterclass with exclusive access to advanced funnel strategies. You'll learn how to reverse engineer winning funnels, how to drive traffic, the psychology behind high-converting pages, and insider tips that only seasoned marketers know. Plus, this package includes 6 months of ClickFunnels Platinum for free, which makes it a massive value. If you're serious about becoming a funnel pro, this is for you. 3. Affiliate Bootcamp. Want to promote ClickFunnels and earn commissions? The Affiliate Bootcamp is a free course where Russell Brunson and top affiliates show you how they built full-time incomes promoting ClickFunnels. You'll discover how to pick your niche, how to structure your funnel, how to drive targeted traffic, and how to create content that converts. If you want to be a ClickFunnels affiliate, this is a must-watch. 4. ClickFunnels 2.0 Academy. With the launch of ClickFunnels 2.0, they introduced a dedicated learning platform inside your dashboard called the CF 2.0 Academy. It includes bite-sized tutorials, new feature walkthroughs, funnel building demos, email automation guides, CRM, workflows, and much more. It's the perfect hands-on learning tool for staying updated with the latest features, especially if you're using ClickFunnels 2.0. 5. Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. While not purely a ClickFunnels course, this book and training series are essential for anyone using funnels. Traffic Secrets teaches you how to get consistent leads, drive targeted traffic to your funnels, build your dream 100 audience, leverage SEO, social media, and paid ads. Funnels are useless without traffic. This course shows you exactly how to get it. Bonus tip: combine courses with action. Here's the truth. Watching a course won't make you successful unless you implement. So as you go through each course, make sure to follow along step by step, build as you learn, launch imperfectly, and optimize later. Learning by doing is the secret to mastering ClickFunnels fast. So, to recap, the top 5 ClickFunnels courses are One Funnel Away Challenge, Funnel Hacking Secrets Affiliate Bootcamp, ClickFunnels 2.0 Academy, Traffic Secrets. Which one will you start with? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want my personal link to the best ClickFunnels deals and free bonuses, check the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more funnel building tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.